You're watching SGT Times with me, Ishita Sharma. Let's have a look at the top stories. SGT College of Pharmacy hosts the 3rd National Conference on Pharmacy Practice. The Faculty of Dental Sciences celebrates World Oral Health Day with the campaign theme, Be Proud of Your Mouth. Today is World Oral Health Day, the Department of Periodontology to celebrate World Oral Health Week from the 20th to 25th of March 2023. The Faculty of Nursing organizes a health camp and awareness program on self-care management of kidney diseases. The Faculty of Nursing, in collaboration with the Nursing Teacher Association of India, celebrates International Women's Day. Now the news in detail. SGT College of Pharmacy, Gurugram has organized SERB TST, Science and Engineering Research Board, Department of Science and Technology. Government of India sponsored 3rd National Conference on Pharmacy Practice on the theme Telemedicine, Opportunities and Challenges. Role of Pharmacist in association with #IPGA on Saturday. Let's have a look.
The chief guest for the event was Dr. Montu M. Patel, President of the Pharmacy Council of India. In this talk, he highlighted telemedicine as a tool for transforming and modernizing healthcare. Eminent personalities graced the occasion. Dr. S. Iswara Reddy, Joint Drugs Controller India, CDS, CO Mrs. Kalpana Jaswal, Associate Director, Corporate Hospital Sanofi India, Dr. Pramil Tiwari, Professor and HOD, Pharmacy Practice NIPER, Mohali, Dr. Dipendra Singh, Chairperson, Education Regulation Division PCI, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, General Manager, Clinic Pharmacologist, Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited, Dr. Rakesh Dahiya, Senior Drug Control Officer cum Licensing Authority FDA Haryana, Mr. Kalhan Bajaj, Editor, Indian Pharmacist, Mr. Rajiv Gulati, Advisor, SGT University. SGT University officials Professor Dr. Rakesh K. Sharma, Pro-Chancellor, Dr. Vikas Dhawan, Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Atul Nasa, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, present during the conference, felicitated other invitees and also welcomed the dignitaries and students. The event saw more than 500 people from various regions of India. During scientific sessions, lectures, presentations were delivered by invited expert speakers from academia and the pharma industry. There were about 130 scientific posters on the conference's theme that were presented by young, aspiring scientists. A unique feature of the conference is the participation of a vast number of speakers from the pharma industry to strengthen academia-industry collaboration for affordable healthcare. The conference was successfully organized by Professor Dr. Vijay Bhalla, Dean SGT COP, Professor Dr. Sonal Setia and Dr. Poonam Arora.
Today's event, how has been your experience so far?
Basically, if you'll ask me to be present in such a beautiful campus, it is always a pleasure. And from the morning session, the function I have attended, again, this is a very relevant topic. We are discussing about the e-pharmacies, and after COVID, if you'll see, the situation is entirely changed, and we are looking for the new avenues. Though the telemedicine, the concept, it is initiated in government, it is initiated in 2005, but after COVID, it is again had a very, you can say, we are again working on it to make it more feasible and more accessible to the public.
Sir, what do you think are the scopes for the pharmacist in the line of telemedicine?
Basically, if you'll see, we as a pharmacist during the COVID, we have seen our role. When doctors were busy in their hospital, nurses were busy in the hospital, the pharmacists were in the society and they were helping without any PPE kit to the public. So I feel that pharmacy people are having wider role in telemedicine, because they are, if you find a medical person who is very accessible to you, it is a pharmacist who is near to you. And looking into the government initiative also.
So about today's event, sir, what do you have your views about here this event, as it is all about telemedicine? So for the audience, what do you think, or what is telemedicine all about?
Telemedicine was in a very nascent stage in India a few years back, but post COVID-19 it has caught up really well, and it was the need of the hour, and thankfully people are moving towards telemedicine and moving towards digital India, and telemedicine is a good platform, and the medicines can reach the consultation can reach to the interiors or to the rural populations of the country, which was not happening till now.
Sir, so for today's conference, what do you think how this is going to help the pharmacists, like the current pharmacists and the future pharmacists?
In rural areas, the doctors are not willing to go, and generally you will find pharmacists in rural areas, in PHCs and SECs. You have find a lot of pharmacists, and if this medicines and health comes in a big way in India, and a lot of companies they start participating in all these medicines and health, the pharmacists will be able to dispense medicines in a more systematic and a more regularized way.
So, what do you think, sir? Telemedicine is the coming future for in the field of pharmacists and.
Yeah, it is. It has a very bright future. It is an upcoming field. Pharmacist, as it is a very noble profession, and it was the only profession which during COVID times had to work 24/7. And I am sure this is a new bright option for the pharmacy as a career option.
For today's event, sir, what do you like? How was your experience so far in today's conference?
See, what we have seen in last couple of years during COVID, the COVID lessons have been indeed immense, and I would say pharmacists have come up to the responsibilities of being vaccinators, being medicine providers, and multiple roles. Telemedicine is just one of those aspects, I believe, which is going to be in the coming few years a very upcoming field. So it is very well suited.
So how these kind of events, conferences helps the pharmacists or the aspiring pharmacists in your opinion?
See, these events not only provide a networking platform, I would say out of 200 or 500 students who come up, even if the invited speakers are able to touch maybe a 10% of them and change their thought process, I guess that is the outcome which I look for, and that makes a change which very many of us do not realize while we are attending the event. We realize it much later in our lives.
So how has been your experience for today's conference so far?
I think we learned a lot about telemedicine also. Experience was good, and telemedicine is a good way to treat patients in a easier way also, and providing them comfort zone also. We don't have to go in the hospitals and to consult and wait for the consultancy, and also we can go online and check easily. Easy way to treat.
Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Innova 8 Oral Health Care, an academic association constituted under the Department of Public Health and Dentistry, Faculty of Dental Sciences, SGT University, celebrated World Oral Health Day with the campaign theme Be Proud of Your Mouth by organizing month-long oral health related activities like Nukkad Natak and Oral Health Talk, distribution of oral hygiene products, oral health screening and treatment at various outreach locations. Let's have a look.
The celebration of World Oral Health Day by Innova Oral Health Care was a resounding success, with the department successfully organizing a month-long series of oral health activities that culminated today. The theme of the campaign was Be Proud of Your Mouth, which aimed to encourage people to take pride in their oral health and maintain good hygiene practices. The department organized a range of activities including Nukkad Natak, oral health talks, distribution of oral hygiene products and oral health screening and treatment at various outreach locations. The department also collaborated with various outreach institutions to organize oral health checkups and workshops at Divine Dale International School, VPO Sherpur, Teh Pataudi District, Gurugram on 15th and 17th March 2023. Oral health checkups and Nukkad Natak at Ashraya Home for Destitute Women, Sultanpur, Gurugram on 28th March 2023. Oral health checkups and treatment in collaboration with SGT Publicity team on 1st April 2023 and oral health checkups and treatment for employees of Tehsil Kadipur, Gurugram and Tehsil Farooq Nagar. The media and radio campaigns for a positive oral health message on and around this day were also successful and the department received excellent feedback from the public. The success of the campaign bodes well for the future of oral health care in the region and highlights the importance of promoting good oral hygiene practices. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
The Department of Periodontology, Faculty of Dental Sciences, in collaboration with the Internal Quality Assurance Cell and Perio Unnati Association, is proud to celebrate World Oral Health Week from the 20th March to 25th March 2023. Let's have a look.
20th March is earmarked by the Dental Council of India and the Indian Society of Periodontology as World Oral Health Day to celebrate it by all the colleges across the country for oral health screening, oral health and gum care education and sample distribution to the patients. SGT University planned all the activities to be continued full week, which also includes some activities like the Rangoli competition and e-poster competition for students of the Faculty of Dental Sciences on the theme of the oral health importance and its maintenance to make it a big and successful event. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's take a short break. We will be back soon.
SGT lets me question anything, even the university.
I have visited other campuses too, but SGT has better infrastructure. Plus, it's hope.
Here, we are not just students, we are emerging journalists. Here, we got an opportunity to interact with renowned media experts.
Asia's biggest shooting floor, latest equipment,
practical learning,
Faculties from the industry, freedom of expression.
Come, be a part of this revolution.
SGT University, nurturing future leader.
Welcome back after the break. The Holistic Care Association under the Medical Surgical Nursing Department, Faculty of Nursing, SGT University, Gurugram, organized a health camp and awareness program on self-care management of kidney diseases on Friday at village Mushedpur, Gurugram. Let's have a look.
The health camp was organized to meet the healthcare needs of the underprivileged communities who are residing in Mushedpur village. It includes an awareness program providing knowledge about kidney disease and overall health checkups, checking vital signs and body mass index, identifying risk factors, further referring to SGT hospital. The main objective of a health camp is to provide basic health care and knowledge regarding self-care management of kidney disease among people and provide free health services. In total, 18 nursing students took part in the camp. The camp was organized and conducted by the Holistic Care Association with the cooperation of Professor Dr. Piti Cole, Dean Faculty of Nursing under the guidance of Professor Dr. Setipali Jasmine Deborah, Advisor cum HOD of Medical Surgical Nursing Department, and in coordination with Ms. Kavita Pillai, Co-Advisor cum Assistant, Professor and Execution by Ms. Diksha Biswal, PG Tutor Department of Medical Surgical Nursing. The program was highly acknowledged and appreciated by Mushedpur villagers. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Continuing Nursing Education Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology Nursing Department, Faculty of Nursing, SGT University in collaboration with Nursing Teacher Association of India, Delhi NCR, celebrated International Women's Day under the theme Digital Innovation and Technology for Gender Equality on Thursday. The event was organized under the guidance of Professor Piti Kaul, Dean, and Professor Mamta Devi, HOD, Obstetrics and Gynecology Nursing Department, Faculty of Nursing, SGT University. Let's have a look.
The celebration included a series of events like an expert talk on the theme by eminent speaker Dr. Leela Varke, Commissioner Lancet Citizens Commission for Reimagining India's Health System for UHC and advisor of an exploratory initiative of CEHAT and TIS Mumbai, Nukkad Natak to create awareness among general people at SGT Hospital, inter-college debate competition and theme-based cultural dance on Nari Shakti. Ms. Ruchika Singh introduced the objectives and welcomed the expert and participants of the program. Professor Dr. Piti Kol, Dean Faculty of Nursing, unfolded the theme and focused on the need for the utilization of technology and innovation to create awareness regarding gender equality and equity. During the session, Dr. Leela Varke talked about the innovation and technological change and education in the digital age for achieving gender equality and the empowerment of all women and girls. The session was interactive and well appreciated by the audience. In the inter-college debate competition, 4 teams comprising 2 participants each from various faculties of SGT University participated for and against the theme Digital Innovations and Technology for Gender Equality. The debate competition was judged by Dr. Samraj Nesamoni, Professor, Department of CLC, and Dr. Priyanka, Associate Professor, Department of Physiotherapy as per fixed criteria. The first position was awarded to Team C, Ms. Neeta and Mr. Nitin from the Faculty of Nursing, and the second position was awarded to Team D, Ms. Muskan and Ms. Yashaswini from Faculty of Agricultural Sciences. Prizes were distributed to the winners by guest speaker Dr. Leela Varke, judges and Dean Faculty of Nursing, SGT University. The event was appreciated by the audience and delegates. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
That's all for today in SGT Times. Thanks for watching.